I can't believe someone threw this planter in the trash.
I brought it home for obvious reasons. I can make this thing look awesome.
I just found it online and look at how expensive it is. That's crazy.
There is this major crack I'm gonna have to repair. And the obvious thing, it's only got one leg. I don't know how I'm gonna get that one off. But this is gonna be good. Let's get started.
First, I need to remove these legs.
Well, that's easy enough.
Here we go. It looks like the other 3 legs broke off, but that's okay. How cool, it even has a drainage hole. I could pick a fun color like pink, but this looks like a basket. I think it would be really pretty with a basket color to make it look like it's a real basket. I've got to fix this major crack, so I'm gonna try using this. And it's a pretty bad crack, so hopefully this holds. I'm supposed to just squeeze this out and then mix it. And then apply it to the plastic. Before I paint it, I need to clean it up real nice. I started the most satisfying part, which is just spray painting it. I'm so glad I chose a neutral on this so it would look like a basket. I'm just using spray paint and doing like 2 light coats. Here's the pretty spray paint I'm using. It's called Peppered Pecan. I love seeing how quickly you get results spray painting anything, but this is gonna hold up great outside because it's spray paint on plastic. It's a good quality brand. Got it nice and covered. Oh, I've got a good idea. I was considering just throwing this away because it's mine, but
This will make a great base. Hopefully it fits.
it is too big on the back. So I just unscrewed the legs and removed them. Got all 4 legs. What are the odds this is gonna fit? 0%. Those are the odds. Now I'm gonna sand all these legs. Just sanding to get from this to this. I used this beautiful Minwax color called Honey. It's my go-to, and applied it to the legs one by one. Took a little bit of time, but it's super satisfying, so who cares if it's time consuming, just to darken that color. To protect the wood, I'm just going to seal it. It turns out upside down they fit perfect, then I'm just gonna nail gun these in. My favorite part was adding the soil, adding the plants. This is honestly the most expensive thing. This was not an expensive project. Then I got them planted. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. I'm gonna show you. Again, here's the before, and here's the after. Here's how it turned out. You would never know this was in the trash. You can barely, oh my gosh. You can barely see the crack, and it's sealed. It added such a fun pop of color to the front of this building. The legs are doing great at holding that weight. The spray paint is staying on flawlessly, and it held all of these beautiful plants. Without counting the cost of the plants, I spent about $10 total on this entire project. So if you ever see a planter on the side of the road or in the trash, consider giving it a new life. It'll save you money. It's a super fun project to do, and it helps the environment. Be sure to follow my page for more videos showing upcycling, saving things from the trash, and giving things a new life.